Okay, so here's one example that you'll see how it can be tested. So again, always identify your original. This is my original. The ones with the little prime is my new. Okay, so if we're doing rotations, we know that one turn is 90 degrees clockwise. Another turn is 180 degrees clockwise. That's just the direction of the clock. All right, so another way that you can remember to do your chart is this way. So what I normally do is write down 90. Remember, your increments goes by 90s. So 90 plus 90 is 180, plus another 90 is 270. Oh, I have no more space. So let me rewrite that really fast. Okay, so 90, 180, and 270. That's going clockwise. Counterclockwise, I remember that 180 stay the same, and then these are going to become the opposites. Okay, now they share the same rules. So 180, the variables stay the same, but they both become the opposites. Now, because on these, the degrees are the opposites, you switch your letters. So y and x, the x takes the negative first, and then the y. And you're going to utilize this chart to help you answer your question. So you know that your rotation was 180 degrees clockwise. So 180 degrees clockwise, this is my rule. So my answer is going to be negative x, negative y. So B would be my answer. So you first have to identify which direction your picture is going. Create your chart. Again, there's not really easy way but memorizing the rules. This is kind of like I set it up. This helps me remember the rules. And then I'd use a chart to be able to find the matching one. Also, remember that adding and subtracting is translation, so that wouldn't be it. And then the other ones could be one of your answers. All right, this is, again, question number 3. Also, for rotations, it does preserve congruency because it says the same shape and size, but it does not preserve orientation because it does not stay, the shape does not stay facing the same direction since it's turning. And then for reflections, it does not preserve orientation because it flips, but it does preserve congruency. So the same thing for reflections. All right, complete your Google form.